Let us see about the between operator. So let us take a different table. Let me take a products table and see what is there inside this product table. So select star from the products table and let me execute this. Yeah, so there are so many columns here. Yeah. So here I have one column called a buy price. So I want to know, or I want to pull out the records which is having the buy price which is between 80 to 900 or 80 to 100 or 90 to 100 anyway. So let me put select star from products where your column name, that is buy price is in between 80 and, so now I'm using an and operator here, and we will discuss about this between 80 and 100, and let me execute this. So you might see all the records which are in between 80 to 90, 80 to 100. You cannot see the values which are exceeding 100 and which is less than 80. So this is how your between operator works. So if you want your code to be more readable, so what you can do, you can just put an enter here, and you can put an enter here. You can put a enter here also. Okay, so what does it mean? So I'm selecting star from, select from where. So you need to remember these flow. Select star from products where the column name is in between first value and second value. So if you execute select all, and if you execute, you get a same output. If you want only specific columns, you can use a specific column also. Suppose if I write by price and execute this, I can see only one column there. I can see only one column is as extracted, and the values in that are between 80 to 100. I hope you understood the between operator in a very simple way. Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and keep learning.